Hi, my name is Jerry McSparron. I'm with JMAC Engine Shop, and this is another engine rebuild completion video. Today's date is June the 6th of 2025. Today's engine is an MG Midget 1500, and it would also fit in a Triumph Spitfire. The engine number is FP40446UE, and this engine has all the performance in it, enhancements in it. Compression is about 190 across the board, and it runs very well. It's been balanced. It's got dual springs, dual timing chain and gears. It's got a new rocker shaft. It's got the crank has been turned. It's got new flat top pistons. It's got higher compression. The head has been shaved down and to increase the compression. I believe it has about maybe between 9.6 and 10 to 1 compression, and the compression numbers are 190 across the board, which is very good. Oil pressure runs about 70 and stays pretty much there, plus or minus 10. It'll get down to 60 or 55 even, which is excellent. There's no issue with the oil pressure. This is a really good engine. It runs well, and it's been balanced, and which simply means they take the crankshaft and they spin balance it, and then they add to it the pulley and the different parts so that it's balanced from pulley to crank to flywheel. And then they weight balance the pistons and the rods just to make sure that everything is the same. And it's a good engine. This will be for sale. So anybody interested in a Triumph Spitfire or MG Midget 1500, this one's for you. So I'm gonna run it, let you hear it purr. I'll speed it up a little bit so that you can hear that. I'll show you the gauges, and we'll just go from there. Okay, so there you have it. If you're interested in an MG Midget or a Triumph Spitfire 1500, you can go to my website, www.jmacengineshop.weebly.com. And you can fill out an inquiry, you can send me an email, or even call me. Thanks for watching.